What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2005 Honda CBR 600RR. It's spiking recently, and I just want to give you a quick walk around so you can see this thing up close and personal in case you're interested in this particular bike. That way you know exactly what you're dealing with. We're going to start here in the back tire. Back tire's got plenty of life left on it. Looks like a nice tire. Looks like it was worn a little bit. Kind of still got some chicken strips there, but it was ridden on, but not abused. Doesn't appear to be abused. So there's that. Go up the back here. Got your license plate mount, just in case you always wanted a rye helmet sticker. This is the bike for you. Got your turn signals there, and then you have your tail light there underneath. It does have the exhaust coming out under tail. I think it's a good look. I actually own a bike similar to this, not this paint scheme, but similar year. It does have the seat cowl on it, and it does have the passenger pegs removed, so this is for riding one up. You have to add some things back to it if you wanted to ride two up. There you can see the white rear wheel and the rear brake. Got your swing arm there, all looking good. All the stuff on here is looking nice. There are a few little imperfections on the paint that I want to point out. There's a little scuff there on the number 4, and there's a little chip there on the seat cowl. That is that. That's where the passenger pegs used to be mounted. This seat, actually, like I said, I had a bike similar to this. This seat is good for riding. It's a good riding position, but it is not comfortable. I will just admit that up front. It is not meant to be, not meant for long journeys. You got your side panel here. Got your rider peg, shifter. Got all this stuff in here, kind of skeletoned out. See some of the motor there. Down here in the belly pan, just to see all that. Just a little bit of road dirt there, got some stickers and whatnot, but all in pretty nice shape. Got one little scratch here in the plastics right there in the brown, as well as a matching one right there in the M of that Rothman logo. So that is that. Up here in the tank, all that is good to go. There's the Honda badge painted on the side. Got your handlebars there. Spin this around a little bit. See it from up front. There's your back of your mirror. Got your turn signal down low. There's your whole nose there. See the back of that mirror there, and that turn signal. It does have the got your headlight there, as you can see. Everything looking good there, especially on this front fender. Little bit of mark right there in the front. Actually, that was just dirt. Right there in the front, there's a little mark, a brown mark. Got some more stickers there. You can see the white wheel matching the rear wheel. There's your front disc brakes here, as also on this side as well. This front tire is looking to be like in nice shape too. Similar shape as the back tire. They were probably done about the same time. Spin this around. You guys can see this side. There's your front brake there. Your front disc brakes, I mean, there. Got your turn signal there, already pointed that out. Handlebars does have the shorty levers. There's your badge on the side of the tank. Well, that's looking pretty good. One little mark right there above my finger I want to point out. Shows up on the white. The nice thing is, even the little marks on here don't show up very well because there's a lot going on with the stickers and the badges and whatnot. There you have your rider peg, shifter, got your side stand there. Again, there's a swing arm from this side. You can see your front sprocket in there with the chain going back to the rear sprocket. There's the chain guard around it. There you go. See all what's going on in there. Going up over the top, up on top of the cowl here. On top of the cowl here, there is a little mark right there. There's all that. There's that very flat seat we were talking about. Up over the top of the tank, got your fuel cap. All the stuff up here. Got your handlebar, clutch, throttle, brake, all that stuff. Got the pegs turned down just a little bit. The handlebars turned down just a little bit. There's your gauges. I'm going to zoom in here just a little bit because it's 22,538 miles. Want to make sure you see that. There'll be a few more than that on it after Sean does his test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you watch the test drive. You can see it out on the road. Let's fire this thing up. It looks like there's only one headlight on. This one's actually the high beam. So there's that. I'm just going to flick on this high beam real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. High beam is the other side. Just gonna turn that off. Turn these turn signals on. Make sure they work. There's your front signal on that side. And your front signal on that side. Back to the rear. Rear turn signal on that side. And your rear signal on that side. You see that undermount exhaust looking good. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2005 Honda CBR 600RR. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive video. This thing is not going to last long. Thanks so much for watching.